here and pick up this C10, man. 69 C10 short bed, barn find in Vegas. RUST2REALITY barn find. Got my guy Tony here. You know, he got these luxury Cadillacs right here. You know what I'm saying? We gotta sell them, man. You know what I'm saying? Tony ready to fatten his pockets up, you know? So you gotta come in here and let somebody get blessed with a very nice Snoop. We're gonna call it a Snoop Dogg Cadillac. You know, it's a Coupe de Ville, Snoop de Ville, with low miles, red guts, and it run. Look, no cracks on the dash, nothing. This thing is nice. Come on, I think I can. Okay. Oh, shit. Hey, barn fine, we hooked the battery up. This thing been started in I don't know how long. I know it got dirty gas, but I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna go through the motor anyway. Street rod, huh?
That motherfucker dope, man.
Man. C10, 350, short bed. We about to kill it, huh, Lynn? This thing about to look nice. Rubber, you dig? Trey Skiller, the real dealer. Man, we here in that RUST2REALITY yard, looking at that 1969 Impala convertible, straight out of Illinois. This happened to be in the family, a one-owner family car. Grandfather gave it to the father gave it to the son didn't want it, so the mother sold it to me. I got lucky, y'all. Now we about to have this thing Raider ready. It's gonna be silver and black, so one of these players possibly can get it. Next, we have that 1970 frame, A-frame. It fit under a Chevy, a Skylark, a Pontiac, Le Mans, on QA1 struts. The frame has been modified to fit a 24x15. Also have 2 good A-arms. The next time you see it, this thing will be wet, I promise. Now we have that 1969 Time Machine, my favorite, the Yenko Camaro, baby. Zooming in, ooh, full steam ahead. Got that 55 truck we've been bragging about. We're taking it apart. It's a 55.5. Here's the body to the 1970 colors with those 24x15s down there. You dig? We just sitting here, man, getting it together, having fun with it though, but really working on some real work in the garage. So please tune in and check this out. It's 55.5. 55 truck has a C4 Corvette suspension out of a 96 Celebrity Year Corvette. RUST2REALITY. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, spread it all to all your buddies, your homegirls. We're gonna have some of the flyest whips,